What is the value of angle θ and the perimeter of triangle ABC? From triangle BFA. Angle BFA equals 90 degrees. It is because the angle in a semicircle equals 90 degrees. By trigonometric identity. Line AF divided by line AB equals cosine alpha, which equals to 3 divided by line AB. It follows that 3 divided by line AB equals cosine alpha. We call it equation 1. From triangle ABD. By trigonometric identity. Line AB divided by line AD equals cosine alpha, which equals 3 divided by line AB. It implies that line AB divided by line AD equals cosine alpha, which equals to line AB divided by 4. We call it equation 2. Multiply equation 1 and equation 2. We obtained a new equation as shown. Simplify. 3 divided by 4 equals the square of cosine alpha. We call it equation 3. But 2 times alpha equals 90 degrees minus θ. It signify that cosine 2 times alpha equals cosine 90 degrees minus θ. We call it equation 4. It is because triangle ABC is a right triangle. By trigonometric identity. Cosine 90 degrees minus θ equals sin θ. Substitute into equation 4. It implies that cosine 2 times alpha equals sin θ. We call it equation Y. By trigonometric identity. This implies that cosine 2 times alpha equals 2 times the square of cosine alpha minus 1. Substitute equation 3. It implies that cosine 2 times alpha equals half. After simplification of substituted values. Substitute into equation Y. Cosine 2 times alpha equals sin θ minus 1, which equals to half. Take the sine inverse of the equation. It implies that θ equals the sine inverse of half, which equals to 30 degrees. Consider equation 3. Find the square root of the equation. It follows that cosine alpha equals the square root of 3 divided by 4, which equals half the square root of 3. Substitute into equation 2. Line AB divided by 4 equals half of the square root of 3. Cross multiply and we have that line AB equals half the product of 4 and the square root of 3, which equals the product of 2 and the square root of 3. We call it equation 5. Also, line AB divided by line AC equals sin θ, which equals to half. It follows that 2 times the square root of 3 divided by line AC equals half. Cross multiply and we have that line AC equals the product of 4 and the square root of 3. We call it equation 6. Finally, line BC divided by 4 times the square root of 3 equals half the square root of 3. Cross multiply. Line BC equals half the product of 4 and the square root of 3, which equals to 6. The perimeter of triangle ABC equals the sum of line AC, line BC and line AOB, which equals the sum of the product of 4 and the square root of 3 and 6 plus 2 times the square root of 3. The result equals the product of 6 and the sum of 1 and the square root of 3 in units. Therefore, the perimeter of triangle ABC equals the product of 6 and the sum of 1 and the square root of 3 in units.